Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope all of you are fine. This is my part 2 video on from loose sentences to complex sentences. We have already discussed 10 sentences previously on from loose sentences to the complex sentences. This is number 11 sentence. Passengers face more difficulties traveling on routes with unusual length. This is a loose sentence. Just pause the video and write down the complex sentence of this loose sentence and check whether your answer was right or wrong. See, passengers face more difficulties traveling long routes. Passengers face more difficulties traveling long routes. We changed on routes with unusual length. With the unusual length into the long routes. Okay, this is the complex sentence, and previously it was a loose sentence. See, the meaning of both sentences are correct, but in Prezi writing you need to shorten it. These type of sentences will also help you in essay writing or in paragraph writing as well. This create a good impression before the reader, that the reader who will read your piece of writing, he or she will definitely understand that you have a sort of writing skills. For example, if I say, my friend gave me assistance. Now this sentence looks quite good. There is a correct meaning of this one is also, my friend gave me help. This is also correct sentence, but it's a loose sentence. How you will change it? It will be, my friend assisted me. This is more good or effective one than the previous one, or my friend helped me. Okay, so you need to learn from from loose sentences to the complex sentences. Okay, we are moving towards 12th sentence. Nations with traditions of labor progress quicker than others. Okay, this is a loose sentence. We need to change it into the complex sentence. See what will be the complex sentence of this one. Hard working nations progress faster than others. We changed nations with traditions of labor. Okay, we change this whole phrase into the single word, hard working nations, into a single hard working. Okay, see number 13 sentence. Department with due regard for efficient work. Now we need to change this whole phrase, department with due regard for efficient work. Okay, so we need to change it into the complex sentence. This is a loose sentence. Deliver services in a better way. How will you change it? See, it's complex sentence. Efficient departments. We change the whole phrase, department with due regard for efficient work. Okay, changed into efficient departments serve well. This is more of complex sentences than previous one. This is the things that you need to do in your Prezi writing while attempting the Prezi in competitive exams. Hope this will help you a lot. Okay, number 14. Good people believe in rendering services without any personal gain. Good people believe in rendering services without any personal gain. Now this is a loose sentence, and we need to change it into complex sentences. See what will be the complex sentence of this one. Good people believe in rendering selfless services. Now we change the services without any personal gain. We changed this into selfless services. Okay, see, just keep on noting these things. These are very important and will help you a lot in attempting competitive exams Prezi. Okay, we are moving towards 15 sentence. People should follow leaders with the ability to lead them properly. Okay, this is a loose sentence also. Now we need to change it into complex sentence. See what will be the complex sentence of this one. People should follow efficient or able leaders. See, we changed it with ability to lead them properly. With the ability to lead them properly, changed into efficient or able leaders. Okay, So this is a complex sentence. We are moving towards our 16 number sentence. Youngsters like dresses found common in fashion of the days. Okay, found common in fashion of the days. We need to change this loose sentence into complex sentence. See what will be the complex sentence. Youngsters like fashionable dresses. Okay, we changed it. Dresses found common in fashion of the days. We changed the whole this sentence into fashionable dresses. See, these are very important points. You need to note these points in your notebook. Okay, don't just watch this video, just take a book and pen and keep on noting these important points in your register. Maintain your register will help you a lot in competitive exams. So we are moving towards number 17 sentence. We impart education to below the standard of the world. Education to below the standard of the world. See, this is the whole sentence. We need to change it. Think, pause the video and think now what will be the compact word for this one. Should we move on? Let's see. We impart low standard education of the world. Low standard. This is the particular word, low standard education. We changed education to below to the standard. To below the standard. We changed into low standard education of the world. So we are moving towards number 18 sentence. We see or find movies without any moral values. Now, students, you need to change this without any moral values. You need to change it. Think for a while, pause the video, take the pen and book. Think for a while what will be the a particular word for this one without any moral values. See what will be the complex sentence. We see immoral movies. We changed without any moral movies values into we see immoral movies. So we are moving towards 19th sentence. Newspapers circulating the news taking no care of their factual grounds. This is the loose sentence. Again, you should make it a compact sentence. See, newspapers spreading false news. False news is a particular word. We see circulating the news taking no care of their factual grounds. The news taking no care of their factual grounds. The whole sentence changed into false news. Circulating or spreading both have the same meaning. You can even change the word as well. Okay, so this is a complex sentence and previously was a loose sentence. This is the skill that you need to build while sitting while sitting in competitive exams. Okay, we are moving towards number 20 sentence. Media is observed to have effects mostly tending to negatively in approach. This is the loose sentence. Now we need to change into a compact sentence. See what will be the compact sentence of this one. Media is mostly seen to have negative effects. Negative effects. To have effects mostly tending to negatively in approach. We changed this whole sentence into a single word, negative efforts. Media is mostly seen to have negative efforts. So we are moving towards 21 sentence. The teacher puts forth explanation with a lot of clarity. Yeah, this is a loose sentence again. We should change it into a compact sentence. See what will be the compact sentence of this one. The teacher explained explanation clearly. Okay, and this is the compact sentence. So this was our second exercise on loose to compact sentences for Prezi writing. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel as I can make more videos. If you find any difficulty in the video, if you find any difficulty while attempting Prezi writing, do let me know in your comments, and as I can make other videos too. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button as my upcoming video notifications come to you. Okay, so thank you so much. This is end of our part 2 from loose sentences to complex sentence. Inshallah we will meet into another video. Thank you so much.